by the Panchayat Kandoli, and there were two agenda previously. One is the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October, that we already completed. Second agenda to discuss about the draft ODP, amendment draft ODP and the JT policy. Subsequently, the Gram Panchayat has issued coordination that the second agenda will not take for the discussion. But as per your request, the Sarpanch and all elected members agreed to have a discussion on the, at least on the draft JT policy. So anybody wanted to have a talk on this, please come and forward.
No, we'll request.
Roshan Machar.
Sir, you mentioned ODP, but that's the third topic that we need to have in the village. I think by next week we need to have, because 12th is the last date for our objections also. That is a different. But what we had spoken about was Goa Land Building Regulations Act. Now, the process was very good that we had to file objections, which our Panchayat has given a resolution asking for expert member to come and explain to the village what is the effect of all that. And why we asked is because section 4 subsection C says that if government comes with any policy which affects the public, they are supposed to explain to the public what is the effect of it to the public. So based on that, we asked the government to explain to us. Now they have not sent anybody. This is with regards to building regulation. They have not sent anybody, but then subsequently minister said that he is going to scrap all the amendments, including that 16B which was previous. They are very happy, but till today no notification has come. Okay. Second thing, based on his promise, we have not put our official objection from Panchayat. Am I right or wrong? Based on his promise. So today there is a chance where we can pass a resolution saying that based on your promise, we have not sent objections in good faith. Secondly, in good faith now you pass the notification, because still it is notified, relying on the minister's words. Tomorrow he will say, "I invested Anglele." Because if you notice, on that particular day, within 1 hour he passed 3 different comments, all contradictory to one another. Tomorrow he may say, "I was under pressure, I said it." That is not going to be accepted by us. We need a proper notification. So two things, we can pass the resolution saying that you have not sent anybody, but in good faith we accepted the words of the minister, and that's why we did not send objection. Second, kindly come up with the notification immediately.
Tomorrow itself.
Yeah, so this is based on the first one. Now second thing is JT policy. JT policy त्यांच्यानी 15 दिस दिले as per the notice, and only in 500 words. Then in JT policy again section 4C applies, where government has to tell us what is the effect of it on our village. As per 73rd amendment, the village has to decide what development should happen in the village. Whether आमका बऱ्याक पडटले, आमका वाईट पडटले, ते आम्ही चिंतपाक जाय. आणि आम्ही वय म्हणूंक जाय, आम्ही ना म्हणूंक जाय. Okay? They have not done this. Now they have extended 15 days more, which will be maybe around the 12th of October. We have to produce our objection. Now again, Panchayat kindly has requested them to send expert member today. Have they replied to our letter? No reply. So that is completely unacceptable from the department. They should have at least replied saying we don't have somebody, or we have somebody, or we are coming. Something they should have said. They have been very irresponsible. That shows they are not interested in the people's participation. So we write a resolution today saying that since you have not deputed any staff for us, we are not able to take decision, and for that we are outright objecting your entire policy. Simple.
जेटी पॉलिसीचा ड्राफ्ट धाडला काढून जालो जाल्यार ऑब्जेक्टिंग
Now supposing त्यांच्यानी कोणें धाडला आमकां explain करूंक what this draft is, then there is a chance for putting some objection or suggestion. आमकां काय खबरच नासल्यार what to write on the paper. Now I read certain things in that. They are going to make a committee called GEC, okay, JMC, sorry, JT something committee. या committee no fisherman is represented. Fisheries department ना तितून. अरे जेटी येयल्या उपरांत फिशरमॅनाक पयलो मार बसता. सेकंड थिंग इज एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट. खजान सायड, खजानाचे सायडीन सगळे जेटी येतल्यो. वाय द खजान कमिटीज आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व, वाय कोमनीदार्स आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व. So this is why biodiversity department is not involved. These people are important to decide about jetty. Why panchayats are not involved? Panchayat is going to be the final authority to decide whether jetty will come here or no. कोणाकूच इथून jettyच्या committee. So this is not correct. So we have to outright reject. If they are interested, let them send their people. We are ready to talk.
इतलो ते आमचे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स स्पॉट वता कितले दे टेक लायसन्स फ्रॉम COP कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट
Yes.
आणि चलयता नाव ऑल ऑफ ए सडन ट्युरिझम हॅज कम इन COP ना म्हणटा अरे हू इज सर्टिफाईंग द फिटनेस ऑफ द वेसल COP tourism cannot certify now they are in a mess total mess so this is what is happening we are sending a resolution of this body and panchayat body both same resolution they are
And
sending
you can
tomorrow.
also attach, I don't know, fishermen's
What is
community of Tandolim, they have an association, they have also sent a letter. So you can attach that saying you have received from them also the letter.
Do we currently have a status of which are the jetty points that we have?
They have not mentioned
No,
any.
there are two. I'll tell you. There are. Yeah. So there are more than that.
Not tourism
He's talking about fishermen jetty.
Yeah. So I'm talking about fishermen jetties, but there are more jetties which are there. Now you know that Fort Aguada, which is that jetty which was closed out for public access. Bonchagarli jetty. That jetty is there. Now when you look at the where the place is there, that's a fisherman jetty. Where the Ganesh Kotatri, that's a fisherman jetty. And then there is, as you rightly said, one is there in Odda. So can we do something by saying that, listen, we already have these 5 or 6 jetty points. We need your support to clean this up and maintain it.
You are talking about upgrading our jetties. Okay,
Yeah.
the word would be upgrading our jetties.
Exactly.
There is nothing stopping our VDC or our panchayat in proposing that.
Which is fair.
Why do we have to propose to Department of Tourism for this?
No, so all I'm saying is we have to write a letter in such manner
That can be
that we
done
are doing.
consequently.
And we tell them that what we are maintaining our jetties, we do not need your
That can happen.
Yeah.
That can happen soon. We can.
I'm talking about the further one, Kochagade.
देव धाकटे आहा रे देव
Yeah.
जेटी तांकां ट्युरिझम दिना देव आमकां शिकेरे जेटी प्लेस वॉज देयर we had a meeting with Parida. He said he wants some part of that jetty for Drishti, for that boating from Dhanapal, Panjim, Aguada. And
I'm aware of that. That's
I
what I'm
told him,
saying.
sir, please come and have a look. What is happening? पाव नागन स्वाद ना दिसो.
Exactly.
हाँ, तुका स्कूटर प्रॉब्लम ना नसते तुका गाडी यो मोठी बोलल्या फिशरमॅन मोठी बोलल्या तू यो आनी पळय म्हणलें जर तुका जाय न्हू म्हणल्यार सेपरेट काम
So that will be one
and
time.
we accepted huh? They agreed. लावडा मागे विनोद सोमा पेंडेकर हांव सांगता तेका अमरोज हातून सिमा तिरा वाडो